Okay, today we're moving on to section 6.2 in our text, and we're talking about the natural number e and using it as our base for exponential functions. Now, first off, a couple of simplifying problems where we're really doing nothing different than we did if we had x cubed times x squared or 5 cubed times 5 squared. Our rules here are exactly the same. Multiplying like bases, we add our exponents and we get e raised to the fifth. Here, because we're multiplying, we can distribute the exponents. So this is 3 to the fourth times e squared to the fourth. 3 to the fourth is 81. Power to a power, we multiply, and so we get 81 e to the eighth. Here we're dividing. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. And again, dividing like bases, we subtract the exponents. That's a 12, and 12 minus 2 is 10. So we get 2e to the 10th. And then here we have a cube root. So very similar to here where we have a exponent, right? We can write this as raised to the 1/3 power. And again, because we're multiplying, our rules tell us that we can distribute. The cube root of 27 is 3. And again, power raised to a power, we multiply. 12 times 1/3 is 4. So we get 3e to the fourth. Okay, here in the next two, they're asking us to rewrite it in this form. So notice we have an e raised to the 0.5t. So again, we're going to use our calculators. So we're going to take our e, right, second, and then just above the natural log. So e, we're going to raise it to the 0.5. And notice we have 1.6487, and it continues. So now we're going to go back, and we're going to rewrite this. Instead of e to the 0.5, 1.64, I'll round to 9. We're going to go to 3 decimal places to the t, which is the same as 1 plus 0.649 to the t, and then that means our rate of increase was 64.9%. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. Now we're raising it to a negative. So again, second natural log brings up our e, raise it to the negative 0.3, and so we end up with y equals 3. 0.74 will round to that 3rd decimal place to the t. So this is 1 minus some rate of decrease. So if we did 1 minus 0.741, right, that's going to be 0.259. So now we have it as 1 minus 0.259 to the t. And so that tells us that our rate of decrease was 25.9%. Okay, let's look at a couple of word problems. And here specifically, we have one problem that we're going to have 3 different parts to, and we're investing $1,000.